plenty of options. Egg white omelet, turkey bacon or turkey sausage, veggies, smoked salmon. Alrighty guys, we just got in the room from outside and the coffee shop, and we basically have been laying out all day long. We got really burnt because we haven't seen the sun in forever. Poor Steven back there, he a little lobster. He's pissed about it, but we're just about to cheers a little pre-workout here. We have Pre-Grow by Astori. We brought it with us. And we're gonna go hit up the gym. I don't know what him and my dad are doing, but I'm doing some leggies. And I'm really exhausted today. So I've been off the pre-workout for like 4 months. But I use it when I need it, and right now I feel like whenever I'm on vacation I'm like super exhausted. Probably because life is literally insane. When I'm on vacation everything just stops. All the craziness. So my body has time to finally take a breath and relax, and so therefore I'm always super exhausted, especially the first few days. So we brought some pre-workout with us, and I'm also gonna drink my Amino Grow Isotori Mango Chiller that's really good. So I'll drink this during my leg workout. The sports bra actually hurts me right now because I'm pretty burnt, but you know, that's what happens and it'll go away. But I hope you guys enjoy this leg workout, and I will see you at the gym. Ooh, that's good. Let's do this.
I was not ready to falling like I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing. Keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And you forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. In immortality, I can see you and me. You Yesterday's yes, tomorrow's no. Tell me what's today, baby. Soon as you're back, you plan to go. Cut me some slack, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Scavenger in disguise.
That got a little burp, did ya?
Little burnt muffin.
So did Steven.
Check me out. It's beautiful. That's what I call the bronze. I didn't get that.
Oh, thank you. So kind. Spring rolls. All the food you could ever imagine. Yum, the big ones. Our favorite station. I'm just kidding. Ooh, what's that? That? Yeah, that looks good.
Looks healthy.
It looks semi-healthy. Oh, churros? Oh no. Get one.
I'm doing it.
Get one.
Oh my god.
He's doing the same. That man, what's that? Interesting. Oh. Yum. Oh, yum. That black rice looks good.
This is my home right here.
Should we get a couple? No.
We'll wait. From Mom and Pop.
There's the boring station.
Taylor Station.
Digital.